Welcome to the Creator Snapshot. And in this monthly series, in 7 minutes to create it, we align creation with action and with accountability. And every month we focus on something different in faith, wellness, wealth, marketing, business, travel, or communities. And it's a super quick snapshot that'll take you a maximum of 7 minutes to create it, unless you want to revisit it over and over and over. So, which you can, and you're welcome to. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out my short, also binge-worthy videos, Got a Minute to Create It, where I dive into whether it's a tip, a tool, or a tech in any of these 7 areas, from faith to wellness to wealth to marketing to business to travel and communities. So let's create it.